Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hema on Happiness and Lifestyle, and today I got for you a really quick Tjmaxx haul. It's not going to take too long because I just have few things to share, because I found Nars Audacious Lipsticks and I do want to share them because I had already showed you guys one in the, I think in an old Tjmaxx haul where I think I got Catherine, which is this one. I had got this and this was Catherine. Yeah, Catherine. It was Catherine. So I'll show this also just to compare with the others. And also I have two other Nars Audacious lipsticks that I had got. I think, where did I get that? From Ulta or Sephora. I think Ulta on 20% off or something, those mini ones. So I had shared that long back with you guys. So I just got all the Nars ones I have so that I can just kind of compare, because I found a couple more and I'm kind of not happy with one, but I already swatched it, so I can't really give it up. So there is my bag, just few things. So I just wanted to do this quick video. Oh, actually, yeah, before that, let me share another Anastasia Beverly Hills, what is this? Eyeshadow, single eyeshadow that I found in Tjmaxx, and this is $3.99. Like you guys know, I've been like kind of like looking for these everywhere, and I got these kind of colors, so many already now, but I found this, and this is called the penny metal, and it also looks like really beautiful color. It's like this penny kind of bronzy color, actually bronze color, light bronze, like a penny, like coppery bronze. So it is called penny metal. Yeah, it's called penny metal. So I got this. So let me open this, guys, and also let me get the ColourPop palette that I've been like kind of collecting in, like that empty palette. So I'm going to put this also in there. So, and this I had found after the previous Tjmaxx haul, so that's why I could not share this. It's kind of this light. I have so many of these colors now, like henna, brick, all are kind of in the same shade. So let's see how this color compares with the ones I already have right now. So, and I had completely forgotten about this, that I actually got one more in Tjmaxx. Okay, oh my god, my palette is getting full now. So it does look slightly different. Okay, let me put it right here because it looks similar to this one here. Okay, so that is penny metal down here. So it kind of looks similar to this, but it's a little bit darker. This has more like brown in it. This is more like copper in it. Yeah, so which one was this one? Let's see. This was RTW, which is kind of similar. Actually, it's not similar. When you look in here, you can see that this has like copper, more copper in it. Okay, so that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more are going to make a whole palette for me, I think. Okay, so that's it. I'm just going to put it there and keep it. And now let's share the Nars Audacious lipsticks that I found. I really like the Nars Audacious lipsticks formula. I do like it. And I think they retail for $32 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 32 or 34. I can't be exactly sure. I don't have my phone here to check, but I think they're 32 to 34 between that. So they're really expensive. So I found these colors. I do like 3 of them, but one not really. I don't know why I got it. I thought it would be nice, but so let me share and also swatch them on my hand here. So I'm just going to swatch them. I'm just going to take my watch off so I can like show you guys. So first one I'm going to share, which is the light one. The light one is actually the one that I don't like that much. So this is how the packaging looks, and it says, and these were all $7.99. And it says the Nars Audacious lipstick, and I didn't get these like in one run or something. I had gone different days when I found different ones. So this one is called Dayle. So this is the shade Dayle, and I've already tried all of them. I already opened them, tried them out, and this one I was trying to mix it with some other shade and see if I like it, because on its own I'm not liking it that much. It's really nude. So that's the color, and I didn't know if it'll look pasty on me or something, so I got it anyway. But when I tried it on, it kind of looks pasty on me. But anyway, I can mix it like with some other color. Like if I have like a liquid lipstick on and like just dab a little bit of this, I can make it look a little, you know, lighter or something like that. So that's why I didn't. I mean, once I tried, of course I can't give it back. So you can see, but it's beautiful. Like when you swatch, it looks so nice. On my skin tone, it's not that nice. People who love nudes will love it, because it's kind of that kind of nude that people like, with the purple in it, slight purple in it. So it's really nice nude. Just that it kind of looks like washed out, not washed out, like, you know, I look kind of dead on it with it. Not too good on my skin tone. It doesn't look that good. I'll do a swatch video on all the Nars Audacious ones later. So that was the Dayle, which I don't like it that much. Next is which one should I share? I think that's a dark one. Tatiana. This one is Tatiana, and this, what shade was this? I also forgot. So this is Tatiana, and oh, the orange one, yes. I think I didn't try this one. Yeah, I haven't tried this. If you see the tip, it looks like, you can see I've not really tried it on. So that's how it looks. Beautiful. And I had showed you guys Catherine from my previous haul. That was like a light orange, like a bright kind of color, but this is a little more darker, so I loved it. And I do have Rita, which is, no, do I have Rita? Yeah, I think the orangey one. Is it Rita? I need to look. The mini ones. So I'm going to swatch them and compare. But let's swatch this first. And I'm going to compare with like other oranges beside it, like the Nars Audacious one. So that is beautiful. So that is Tatiana. So it's a really like perfect orange, real orange. Next is let me actually swatch the Catherine, which I had hauled before, but I got it up here just to compare for you guys. So this one is Catherine, and this also I've already tried it on once, and then I just kept it in the box. But so because, you know, I had kept it all together so I can do a swatch video. But this one is Catherine. Yeah, Catherine. So this was the first orangey one I got. So this is like a muted orange. So see that, like a muted orangey color. So let's watch that beside it. So it should be different. Yeah, this is kind of different. This is like that Tropic Tonic or something from MAC. So that kind of shade. So it's really nice. This is a beautiful shade too. I love that. It's kind of nice orangey, like red, like for the summer. Beautiful summer colors. So that is Catherine. Now I'm not going to waste time putting them in the boxes there. Okay. So next is what's this? Stefania. And I like this color very much too. I love this color. Stefania. And this is a pink, a magenta color. Like that mesmerizing magenta from, is that Maybelline? Yeah. So this is the, wait, is that Maybelline or Milani's mesmerizing magenta? So it kind of looks like that shade. Beautiful shade. And this is, oh, I should have left space for another orange there, I guess. Beautiful, beautiful shade. I love this. So all these are kind of like my kind of colors. I love these kind of colors. So that's one. And then the last one is Kate, and I love this one. Is Kate. And all these, like I said, were $7.99. So they retail like for 32 or 34 bucks, 34 dollars, but in Tjmaxx I found them for $7.99. And like, they don't seem expired or anything. They seem good. I've already applied them and seen them. They seem good. I don't know if they'll expire soon, that I don't know, but they are in good condition. They were in good condition and they're really good. So this one is Kate. I love this one. Like a muted pinky purpley color, which is beautiful. And this looks nice on my skin tone actually. Kind of like Men Love Mystery from MAC, I think. I don't have that, but probably a little bit like that. Or MAC Heroine. Yeah, but MAC Heroine is like, it looks more purple or something, but I love this one better than that actually. Beautiful, look at that. So nice color. Beautiful color. And this one was Kate. Where's the color? Oh, there, Kate. Next one. Now I'm going to show you the two old ones I had. And just to swatch them, these are the two mini ones I had from Ulta. I got them on like 20% off sale or something. They were in that one pack. So let me show you the ones I have here. Rita. So this is kind of that red, orangey red one. Rita, and I'm just going to swatch that next to this. Oh, this is completely red. Yeah, it's kind of red only, just red. Where did I swatch it here? This one here. So it's like a bright orangey red. I love that color too. Rita, that's Rita. And then the other one I have here is Mona. I love this color, like the darker color, Mona. And let's put it up here. So this is like a red, but a darker red. So that's Mona. So those are all the swatches, guys. That's Mona, that's Rita, that's, what's that? And this is Kate, Stefania, and Tatiana, and that is Dayle, which is not that favorite or something. All the other colors I love. This is Catherine. So that's the Nars Audacious Lipsticks for you guys. And I had found, like I showed all the other ones, big ones in Tjmaxx. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I don't know if I showed you guys this top. I got this in Macy's. I probably showed you in like some other video. Did I wear it any other video? I don't know, but it's a really pretty dress. I always go to Macy's and look in that clearance section kind of to find some stuff. So this is really, like, I loved it, the design and everything. And yeah, so it's pretty. It's like this like nice soft material here, but then it's this kind of, you know, that thin material here. So it looks nice. It's pretty. Okay, so that's it, guys. Bye. Thank you. Take care. See you in my next video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And once I reach 1,000, like I told you guys, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, and I've already included, I think, 1 or 2 items. I have a few more items that I'll be including. And yeah, I had another item that I got from Sephora that I've included. I think I didn't show you guys, but there was a White Beauty lipstick that I included also in my giveaway. So there are, I think, 3 things right now in the giveaway. So I'll be adding more to it, but please subscribe to my channel, guys. Bye.